Australia's medical regulator has made history, approving the first batches of the Melbourne-made AstraZeneca vaccine. It's hoped the move will speed up the country's vaccination rollout by lessening its reliance on overseas production.
It's been described as the workhorse of Australia's vaccination policy. 4 months on, and the first 4 batches of the locally produced AstraZeneca jab have left the CSL factory in Parkville to join the fight against COVID-19. 832,000 doses are on their way to general practices and respiratory clinics across the country, ready to be administered to those in Phase 1B.
This is an incredibly proud day for CSL and I believe for Australia.
A further 2.5 million doses are sitting in storage. CSL hopes to produce 50 million by the end of the year.
We've got a filling line that's running 24/7 to be pumping out nearly 1 million doses of vaccine every single week. This line will continue running at CSL until we've vaccinated the Australian population.
Overwhelming evidence, both from clinical trials as well as real-world evidence, shows that the AstraZeneca vaccine is both well tolerated and highly effective at preventing all severities of symptomatic COVID-19, all ethnicities and all age groups above 18 years.
The approval of the locally produced AstraZeneca vaccines marks a major milestone in Australia's vaccine rollout, as the country is no longer solely reliant on those produced overseas.
This provides the security of supply for the Australian general population rollout, which is fundamental.
The federal government says it's on track to have every Australian inoculated with their first dose of the Pfizer or AstraZeneca jab by the end of October. Julia Bradley, Sky News, Melbourne.